proudly South African Maths UC edition. We have to begin with a very, very big thank you from Steve, the author and developer of Maths UC. Thank you, Steve, from South Africa, and I'm speaking for all the South Africans, for, first of all, the most important, your wonderful heart for God and for families, for writing this curriculum for home educators, and for allowing us to have it converted and translated and what have you into the South African version for the South African families. But we also need to thank Miriam, the right-hand help of all of the work that was involved in this conversion from American maths to South African maths using South African terminology and rands and cents instead of dollars. And also to our fellow South Africans, home educating moms themselves, Kathy for helping with all the senior level conversions, and Teresa for the junior level. Thank you to those people involved in this massive project of converting USA American maths into South African special edition for South African families, Maths UC. To give you some examples of the necessity of this conversion and why we're so thankful for it, is instead of imperial, we have it now metric. Instead of jerky, we have biltong. Instead of donuts and coffee for breakfast or Cheerios, all the colloquialism of America has been translated into being South African friendly. So we're very, very grateful for that and feel very special that we have our own South African Maths UC edition. And Steve has, as you know, teaches all the lessons on DVD. So on the website, you'll see clips for every level from primer all the way through. And there he's giving you a little intro of what each level is like. And there's also placement tests all on this website, on the Oikos website, to guide you as to where to slot a child and how to slot them. And you simply follow the steps of the placement. And yes, it is Steve telling us, and it is from the American side, and all the DVDs are from Steve himself. But I mean, we wouldn't want it any other way, because he's such a heart for God and such a passion for teaching the children maths that even though it's American, we're just grateful for Steve. And thank you, Steve, again. And the workbooks have just got the South Africanization in them. But I don't think you'll find it difficult to find where to slot your child if you're bringing them out of school and you want to know where to slot them in. Just simply do the tests. We do give tips on how to go about that in the actual placements. So just follow those steps and really enjoy the process. I cannot recommend it high enough. As you can imagine, we are supplying it from Oikos. We wouldn't unless it came with a very high recommendation. But it is one of the top home educating maths curriculum available. And we've been using it in Oikos for the last, I've lost count, 20 years. 15, 20 years, somewhere around there, and thousands of families are using it and absolutely finding it to be tremendous support, tremendous help to the parent, very student-friendly, approachable. You can do it in the time that is required for each individual student. There are built-in tests after every week's lessons. There's unit exams, there's final end-year exams. So once a student has completed their year, you can then do your formulas to get your averages of every one of their test results and put it in a little portfolio. Right, that's that level of maths completed at that particular grade level, whatever the mark happens to have worked out to be. And you just slowly progress through the levels until you get to the final, which actually takes you to the level of what is known as grade 12. It's that level of education as far as skills are concerned with Maths UC. So enjoy the process, have a lot of fun, enjoy Steve, and please keep maths something that the children can enjoy. If it starts becoming a strain and a stress, then slow down and let it be a process that you are involved in and that you all enjoy together.